Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting a SRT file to CSV, comma-separated data file. You can see on my computer I have a SRT files. I can click on it to open it, and it will open it into free SRT Viewer app. It's app just showing what is inside of SRT file, and I can export into different format. But I just showing you what is inside of a SRT file. I will leave a link on this viewer into description under this video. But I will be converting this SRT file to CSV with application. I will download from my website. This is my website. To find application, I'll click on search and type SRT, and then click on SRT converters page. And I need SRT to CSV, the last one. And I will click on download button to download archive with application on my computer. I will be recording more videos on SRT formats and SRT converters. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel if you're interested in more videos. You can see archive has been downloaded on my computer. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. So I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we will have to select SRT files we would like to convert. I'll click on this button, click here to input file button, and we'll go to my subtitles folders here and select SRT file I would like to convert and click open. After that I'll click on next step. There are no conversion options here, so I click next. And on final step, I click run to save CSV file. It's asking me for name and location file. Let's save it into documents. Click save, and you can see file has been saved. Then go and see file. So I have a CSV viewer. It's another free app. It's showing what is inside of CSV file. And you can see it has a start time, end time, text, everything is nice from the beginning to the end. Or I can this CSV file also, CSV viewer also can export into different format. Or I can do right click and open it into Excel mobile. I don't have Excel on this computer, but I have Excel version. It's a free version just to see, just to view what is inside Excel file. I'm not allowed to change it. For example, I cannot change column name to have proper length and so on. But you can see it's viewable CSV file with all data in it. Yeah. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. You can also launch this application from command line. It will convert on that website. There is a command line. You can use it. You also can create bat file to convert all files into current folder if you want to automate it or if you want to schedule it. And yeah, if you like this video, if you like to see a video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.